intelligent agent where you have your personal assistant living on your voice network.
Lina, open music.
During the off-peak hours, such as when at night, sometimes the traffic load is at a relatively lower level. That means you do not need all the band to serve the UEs.
In a 5.5G network, we just use a smartphone for everyone. Then we can get the peak rate about 8 Gbps. That means we can have 8 times higher than fiber home broadband.
Huawei will bring the latest technology to merge like the sub-gigahertz all the spectrum in one. You can show the most powerful and the smallest and the lightest 3 bands in one maximum mode. In this way, all the spectrum can be fully used for users' experience.